Hello everyone. I am here to share my views on this blissful occasion of an Vidya Aram Din. So you all know that very well that which situation we are living due to the cause of an coronavirus, COVID-19. This situation has turned a system up and down. Many peoples are being faced in a education system. Many institutes due to the COVID-19 have started some classes online. Our online classes via meeting app, but there is a very big demerits of this student learning through this system affects their eyes as well as their brain. Due to this method, amidst this problem, our Honorable Chairman Kumar Dada Karasgi has thought innovative steps to provide an education. During this lockdown period, keeping these demerits in the mind, he has brought an channel and plan to teach on this via videos on a television that is air. So with this, students do not get their eyes, brain affected while studying virtually. Our Dada has hit two targets with one arrow. He not being a selfish through his whole Sholapur, but he has started this in a Sholapur district. Who are willing to learn can go on their television and turn our school channel and can study any time. This is a monument step by our Dada. Our principal, Mrs. Rupali Hazare, very well guided our all teachers by providing eminent facilities and the help while dealing with this type method of teaching. I share my gratitude to our chairman for not being selfish and for thinking for the community all over the Sholapur district. I would like to thank our principal ma'am for her supports, and I would help. I know that my teachers have done also and shown their best while teaching virtually, because it is a bit difficult with this method because students are not in front of it. And lastly, the students be safe at home, be prepared for this academic year and learn whatever your teachers are giving instruction. Thank you.